So, this guy stole my name, stole my fame, and now he's roasting me. If we go to his first ever video, he made this about me, which I wasn't too happy about, but it's funny. Like,
what up, guys? Welcome back to another video on this channel. I'm using my voice. Wait, how can I cut my voice out? Okay, but today I'm just gonna be watching the most cringiest thing ever in my entire life.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna be reacting to Lanky.
I'm technically like watching my cousin's reactions because it's totally cringe. Like, I just want to say my cousin has a cringe virus.
First thing, I don't have a cringe virus. Second thing, why do you care? Like, you're way cringier.
But he's just cringy. He's just cringy.
Have you guys ever swam in 10 million Orbeez?
Stupid.
No? I have.
He just posts stupid things.
That was a short. Guys, so this guy, so he asked me, how did you upload a short? I was like, why do you care?
His face.
Wait, what was just for fun?
His face. His face.
Why do you care, dude? Why do you care? Yeah, I meant to post that video.
What you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes?
He disliked it. What the No, honestly, I'm unsubscribing. Like, for real, I'm unsubscribing. I hate this guy. Like, bruh.
Okay, that just cringe. That's cringe. This is cringe. This is cringe. Technically, this is also cringe. I just watched.
This guy, I'm disliking.
Like, what the heck is that?
Dude, are you speaking to yourself?
Wait.
He's speaking to himself. He knows something. I am back. We don't want you to be back. I want you to die. Like, I'm actually, if I'm being honest, this guy isn't a nice person in life. Like, bruh, why would I be watching someone that's literally such a noob that he doesn't have a life other than playing Roblox, but I actually have a life that's better than your life, bruh. Why would I be, like, look at my bout. Like, I have way more views than you. He has 199, I have 711. So, bruh, are you talking to yourself? Because I think you are. You're the cringiest person I've ever seen in my whole entire life. He disliked my videos. At least I post more than you. At least you are framing some people. At least I'm not like you. I'm not like your face. $13 views. And I got a dislike on it from him, the idiot. This was actually like a shot made by me. I wanted, like, it was for a video, but I couldn't do it, so yeah, that's what happened. So